Welcome to Nice to Know. In this video we talk about the question, how does asteroid mining work? Today in our modern world are resources like rare earth or fossil fuels necessary for the high-tech economy and the power supply. But these resources are limited. That is the reason why we need new sources. Therefore, it is close to us to use sources in the space. In the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter are thousands of objects with infinite bulks of resources. In the next 20 years, asteroid mining is probably possible. Before we show how it works, let's give you an overview about asteroids. Asteroids are rocket properties which circle like planets around the Sun. They have a size of several meters up to a few kilometers. Asteroids can be divided into several types which are dependent of their main material. So there are three main types. Firstly, there are sea asteroids which are mainly made of carbons and hydrogen. They make up 75% of all asteroids. The second type are S-asteroids, which are silicate-based. These asteroids have a share of 15%. And the third group are the M-asteroids, which are mainly made of metals, primarily from air or Earth. Now to the possibility of mining the asteroids. Therefore, we need powerful launchers which can transport the needed tools to the asteroid belt. For this can be used autonomous robots which could mine the asteroids dependent. The current best option is the Falcon Heavy, a rocket prepared by SpaceX. The Falcon Heavy have a transport capacity of 64 tons. With a speed of 40,000 kilometers per hour, could this rocket reach the asteroid belt, which is 300 million kilometers away, in less than a year. It would be useful to first mine some sea asteroids to gain materials to produce fuel like methane. Hereby the problem would be solved that the transport to and from the asteroid belt costs a lot of fuel. In the next step, the M-asteroids are mined to get the rare earth. If this works, the process can begin to expand. That means to produce new robots for mining and new rockets in the space by autonomous robots without any help of humans. The consequences of the economy would be enormous. The production of the high-tech industry gets a big boost and the problem of the power supply would also be solved. The problem is, whoever would be the first one who has the possibility to asteroid mining would get a big power increase in politics and economy. Because of this, it is useful to create laws which regulate the asteroid mining process. To hold on, asteroid mining is now a future perspective which can have a big influence on the power of economy, and it can also create a big progress. But it is not unrealistic that in 10 to 20 years the first resources of asteroid mining are installed in our phones.